Drive Pilot is the next groundbreaking innovation from Mercedes-Benz as the first Level 3 automated driving system available in the US. Drive Pilot uses onboard LiDAR, camera, and radar sensors in combination with a high-definition map to literally drive itself in certain freeway traffic situations. So now, the driver can turn their attention away from driving and enjoy the ride like never before. Once the proper conditions are present, 2 white lights on the steering wheel and an icon on the driver's display will let you know that Drive Pilot is available. Then, to activate the system, push either of the 2 Drive Pilot steering wheel buttons. The lights on the steering wheel and steering column will begin pulsating turquoise as the system prepares to take control from the driver by adjusting the distance from the car ahead, as well as centering the vehicle in the lane. To show Drive Pilot is now operating, the lights will be solid turquoise and a message will appear in the driver's display. Read the message and click OK. The driver is now free to take their hands off the wheel, eyes off the road, and feet off the pedals, relax and enjoy themselves, but must remain ready to retake control of the vehicle when prompted. To ensure the highest level of safety, Drive Pilot operates under these certain conditions: in daytime traffic, on designated freeways, at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, in clear weather, and will remain in the current lane. When Drive Pilot conditions are no longer satisfied, the system will alert you with a takeover request. The Drive Pilot lights will flash red along with audible and haptic alerts. The driver must then immediately retake the driving task by putting their hands on the steering wheel, eyes on the road, and steer, brake, or accelerate as necessary to ensure the safe operation of the vehicle. If the takeover is not completed within 10 seconds, for example due to a medical emergency, the system will automatically slow the vehicle to a stop and call emergency services. A takeover request may occur at any time. For example, when traffic in front clears, there's inclement weather, construction, or other road conditions. If you want to immediately deactivate Drive Pilot, press either of the 2 steering wheel buttons and take back driving responsibility. If you press the brake or accelerator pedals while Drive Pilot is engaged, you'll receive a takeover request and will then need to once again put your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road to take back control. Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot offers a safer, more comfortable, and convenient traveling experience, so drivers can now sit back and enjoy the journey in a whole new way.